Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this tutorial, we will try to understand the reasons or the logics or the history behind the naming of group 2 elements. Group 2 elements include beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now the first element is beryllium having symbol Be. Original name of beryllium was glossinium, that was derived from Greek word glakis, meaning sweet. Because beryllium compounds are sweet in taste, that's why originally it was termed as glossinium and was discovered by alkaline in 1798. But later on, the term glossinium was replaced by beryllium. Beryllium term is derived from the Greek word beryl, meaning pale green. Because beryllium is abundantly found in mineral beryls, that's why now it is termed as beryllium. The next element is magnesium. The word magnesium is derived from the Latin word magnesia, meaning white. Because this element have silver white color, that's why it is termed as magnesium. The next element is calcium, that is derived from the Latin word calx, meaning chalk or limestone. Because calcium is the major element or the major portion of the chalk, that's why it is termed as chalk. And the Latin word for chalk is calcium, and from this word calx, term calcium is derived. Now the next element is strontium, having symbol Sr. The strontium word is derived from Strontian. Strontian is basically a village in Scotland near which strontium was discovered in 1719 by Adair Crawford and William Cruikshank. Now the next element is barium. The term barium is derived from the Greek word bears, meaning heavy. Because it have a high density or it is a heavy element, that's why it is termed as barium. The next element is radium, having symbol Ra. The term radium is basically derived from the Latin word ray, meaning radiation or radioactive. Because this element is radioactive in nature, that's why it is termed as radium. Hopefully this tutorial will prove helpful for you. For more such informative tutorial, you can click on link mentioned in description. Thank you so much.